Oh, hey you. Thanks for stopping by. This is Gunny. Yeah, and like the title of the video says, I'm cooking some ribs. So, just want to give you guys a little quick sample of what I'm doing. So, I'm cooking my favorite kind of ribs, which is beef ribs, not pork. So they're big and meaty and juicy. And I like to give them a dry rub with some seasoning. Then throw them on the grill here, which is our deluxe cheapo DYNA-GLO, the cheapest of the cheap at Home Depot. And it's working pretty good. As long as you take care of it and keep it clean, they should run pretty good. So, like I said, so far so good. I don't want to jinx it or anything, but yeah, it's holding up. We got a cover for it and everything to protect it from the weather. But, so we got the ribs going. Got them cooking with the rub. Let's take a quick peek. There they are. In all their beauteous glory. Cooking them on low. Slow and low, that is the tempo for cooking ribs. And right now they're just a little bit over 400, which is a little hot for me for the ribs. Usually I like it to keep it about 350, but we're hungry, so we're just going to go ahead and get her done. And once those are pretty much almost cooked, I'm then going to go ahead and slather on some of my secret barbecue sauce here. And then give them a quick sear in the grill, just seal in that flavor and get that extra barbecue sauce flavor on there, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm going to pause it here and then we'll go ahead and continue when I go ahead and flip those ribs. So I'll see you in a few.